Question number 16. A motor boat can travel 30 km upstream and 28 km downstream in 7 hours. It can travel 21 km upstream and return in 5 hours. Find the speed of the boat in still water and speed of the stream. Speed of stream means flow of water, speed of water. இப்போ water is a boat. Water flows in this direction. Boat also goes in this direction. Both water and the boat go along the same direction. It is called downstream. It is called downstream. Same way, அதே boat moves in this direction, water flow in this direction. இப்போ வாட்டர் ஃப்ளோக்கு ஆப்போசிட் டைரக்ஷனில் போட் மூவ் ஆச்சுன்னா தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அப்ஸ்ட்ரீம். Along the flow of water is downstream, against the flow of water is upstream. Downstream, the speed of boat is equal to speed of boat plus speed of the water. In upstream, speed of boat is equal to speed of boat minus speed of the water. In still water, is x kilometer per hour. Still water means அசையாத water. Movement இல்லாத water. That is called speed of boat in still water is x kilometer per hour. Speed of stream v y kilometer per hour. Speed of boat in upstream speed of boat in upstream is speed of boat minus speed of stream, x minus y kilometer per hour. Speed of boat in downstream. In downstream, the speed of boat is speed of boat plus speed of stream, x plus y kilometer per hour. Now, in case 1, thirty kilometer upstream plus 28 kilometer downstream is equal to time taken is 7 hours. Now, time taken equal to distance traveled by speed. Distance traveled by speed of boat. 30 kilometer upstream, time taken for 30 kilometer upstream, 30 kilometer, 30 divided by upstream speed. Upstream speed is x minus y plus 28 kilometer divided by downstream speed. Downstream is x plus y equal to 7. 7 hours is equal to 7. Then case 2. "21 kilometer upstream." 21 kilometer upstream will be again the same place written down. About 21 kilometer upstream and 21 kilometer downstream. Case 2. 21 kilometer upstream plus 21 kilometer downstream. Time taken is 5 hours. 5 hours. 21 kilometer upstream 21 kilometer pointing, it will be returned to the same place. About 21 kilometer downstream is equal to 5 hours. About time taken equal to 21 divided by upstream speed x minus y plus 21 kilometer divided by downstream speed x plus y equal to 5. Now we got pair of equation. It is not a linear equation in two variable. To convert linear equation in two variable, we need a proper substitution. Let 1 by x plus y equal to a, 1 by x minus y equal to b. Assume 1 by x plus y equal to a and 1 by x minus y equal to b. How about that? 28 by x plus y equal to 28 into 1 by x plus y. Therefore, 28a plus 30 by x minus y equal to 30 into 1 by x minus y equal to 30b equal to 7. Equation number 1. Then this one, 21 by x plus y equal to 21 into 1 by x plus y. Therefore, 21a plus 21 by x minus y equal to 21 into 1 by x minus y is equal to 21b is equal to I is equal to equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Now 28a plus 30b equal to 7, 21a plus 21b equal to 5. We have to cancel either a or b. To cancel a, we have to take LCM. 28 to 21 to the LCM. 7 4s are 3s are 2 2s are 3s are again 2 1 3 again 3 1 1. LCM is 7 into 2 14, 14 into 2 28, 28 into 3 84. Our LCM is 84. To get 84 on both, we have to first equation multiply by 3. 3 into 28, 84. To get 84 in second equation, multiply 21 by 4. 4 into 21, 84. So equation 1 into 3 gives 84a plus 90b equal to 21. Equation 2 into 4 gives 4 into 21, 84a plus 84b equal to 20. Now, coefficient of a is same. You have to change the sign. Sign change button minus, minus, minus. Plus 84a minus 84a cancel. Then 90b minus 84b 6b equal to 21 minus 21. Therefore, b equal to implies b equal to 1 by 6. Substitute b equal to 1 by 6 in first equation. 28a plus 30b, 30 into 1 by 6 equal to 7. Now, ones are paisa. Ones are paisa. 28A plus 5 equal to 7. Pi 7. Therefore, 28A is equal to 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Therefore, A equal to 2 by 28 is equal to 1 by 14. B equal to 1 by 6, A equal to 1 by 14. Now, you have to find x plus y. 1 by x plus y. 1 by x plus y equal to A. 1 by x plus y equal to A. Your A is 1 by 14 equal to 1 by 14. If we cross multiply, x plus y into 1 is x plus y equal to 1 into 14, 14. Equation number 3. Then 1 by x minus y equal to b. B equal to 1 by 6. Again cross multiply, x minus y equal to 6. Equation number 4. Now we have to solve 3 and 4. Solving 3 and 4. X plus y equal to 14. X minus y equal to 6. So, plus y minus y cancel. 2x is equal to 20. X is equal to 10. Substitute x is equal to 10 in 3. 10 plus y equal to 14. Y is equal to 14 minus 10 equal to 4. 4. Therefore, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 4. What is x? The speed of boat in still water is 10 km per hour. The speed of the ship is y equal to 4 km per hour. Now we have to write the conclusion. The speed of boat is 10 km per hour. The speed of stream, STREAM, is 4 km per hour. The speed of boat is 10 km per hour. The speed of steam is 4 km per hour. Sita travels 14 km to home, partly by rickshaw and partly by bus. Partly by rickshaw and partly by bus. She takes half an hour. She takes half an hour. If she travels 2 km by rickshaw and the remaining distance by bus, half an hour 2 km by rickshaw, remaining distance by bus. On the other hand, if she travels 4 km by rickshaw and the remaining distance by bus, she takes 9 minutes longer. Find the speed of the rickshaw and the speed of the bus. சீதா அவங்க ஹோமுக்கு போகிறாங்க. ஹோம் 14 கிலோமீட்டர் டிஸ்டன்ஸில் இருக்குது. அவங்க அந்த 14 கிலோமீட்டரை பார்ட்லி பை ரிக்ஷா போகிறாங்க, பார்ட்லி பை பஸ் போகிறாங்க. 14 கிலோமீட்டர் டிஸ்டன்ஸை ஃபஸ்ட்டு கேஸில் 2 கிலோமீட்டர் ரிக்ஷாவில் போய் பேலன்ஸ் 12 கிலோமீட்டர் பஸ்ஸில் போனால் ஹாஃப் அன் ஹவரில் போயிடுவாங்க. 30 மினிட்ஸில் வீட்டுக்கு போயிடுவாங்க. இல்லைன்னா 4 கிலோமீட்டர் ரிக்ஷாவில் போய் 10 கிலோமீட்டர் பஸ்ஸில் போனால் 9 மினிட்ஸ் லாங்கர். அப்படின்னா 9 மினிட்ஸ் எக்ஸ்ட்ராவாக போகிறாங்க. அப்போ 30 மினிட்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் 9 மினிட்ஸ் 39 மினிட்ஸ் போகிறாங்க. அப்படின்னா வாட் இஸ் தி ஸ்பீட் ஆஃப் த பஸ்? What is the speed of the rickshaw? Let the speed of rickshaw be x kilometer per hour. Let the speed of the bus be y kilometer per hour. B y kilometer per hour. Now distance travel equal to now time taken equal to distance travel by speed. Time taken distance travel by speed. First case 1. 2 kilometer by rickshaw plus 12 kilometer by bus is equal to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. About time taken 2 kilometer, no? Distance travel is 2 kilometer. Speed of the rickshaw is x plus 12 kilometer by bus. 12 by speed of the bus is y equal to half an hour. This half an hour, this is kilometer in hour, this is time taken in hour, this is time taken in hour. This minutes are now convert into hours. 30 by 60. And now 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. अब कट करना 1 by 2 halves. 2 by x plus 12 by y equal to 1 by 2. Case 2. Case 2. 4 kilometer by rickshaw and the remaining 10 kilometer by bus. 4 kilometer by rickshaw plus 10 kilometer by bus is equal to 30 plus 9 minutes. 39 minutes. 9 minutes longer na முதல் என்ன டைம் எடுத்துருக்காலோ அதை விட எக்ஸ்ட்ரா 9 minutes. அப்போ 30 plus 9 39 minutes. அப்போ 4 by x plus 10 by y equal to 39 minutes. இது 39 minutes ஹவரா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணா by 60. அப்போ 3 table. 1s are 3s are 2s are 60. 2s 20. 13 by 20. 4 by x plus 10 by y equal to 13 by 20. Both the equations are pair of equation but not pair of linear equation. To convert this pair of linear equation, we need a proper substitution. Let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Our first equation 2 by x, 2 into 1 by x, 2a plus 12 into 1 by y, 12b equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So cross multiply panna 4a plus 24b equal to 1, equation number 1. Second order 4 by x, 4a plus 10b, 10 by y, 10 into 1 by y is equal to 13 by 20. Now cross multiply. Now 4 into 20, 80a plus 200b equal to 13, equation number 2. Equation number 4a plus 24b equal to 1, equation number 1. 80a plus 200b equal to 13, equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2. To solve 1 and 2, I want to cancel a. To cancel a, multiply first equation by 20. Equation 2 into 1. 80a plus 200b equal to 13. Equation 1 into 20. 80a plus 22, 480b equal to 20. Then we have to change the signs. Minus. Plus 80a minus 80a cancel. 200b minus 480b minus 280b equal to 13 minus 20 minus 7. Therefore, B equal to minus 7 by minus 280. Minus minus cancel. 1s are 4s are 1 by 40. B equal to 1 by 40. Substitute B equal to 1 by 40 in first equation. 4a plus 24 into 1 by 40 equal to 1. Then you can cancel 8 table. 3 8s are 24. 5 8s are 40. Therefore, 4a equal to 1 minus 3 by 5 is equal to LCM 5. 5 minus 3 equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Therefore, A equal to 2 by 5 into 1 by 4. 1s are, 2s are is equal to 1 by 10. A equal to 1 by 10, B equal to 1 by 40. Now we have to find x and y. We have kept 1 by x is equal to A is equal to 1 by 10. Cross multiply x into 1 x is equal to 10 into 1 10. 1 by y is equal to b is equal to 1 by 40. Therefore, cross multiply y into 1, y is equal to 40. So, x is equal to 10. The speed of the rickshaw is 10 km per hour. The speed of bus is 40 km per hour. We have to write a calculation. Speed of rickshaw. Ten kilometer per hour. Speed of bus 40 kilometer per hour. That is the answer. Question number 18. Rajesh invested certain amount. Rajesh invested certain amount of money in two schemes A and B. ரெண்டு ஸ்கீம் இருக்கு, A ஒரு ஸ்கீம், B ஒரு ஸ்கீம், which offer interest at a rate of 8% per annum and 9% per annum respectively. He received rupees 18,860 as interest. However, had he interchanged the amount of investment in the two schemes, he would have received rupees 20 more as annual interest. How much money did he invest in each installment? ராஜேஷ்ங்கிறவர் ரெண்டு ஸ்கீமில் பணம் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கார். இப்போது உங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸ்லாம் பணம் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. எஜுகேஷனுக்கு ஹையர் எஜுகேஷனுக்கு இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க, டாக்டர்ஸோட மேரேஜுக்கு இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க, ஏதாவது வீடு வாங்குறதுக்கு இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி இங்கே ராஜேஷ் ஏ அண்ட் பியில் ரெண்டு ஸ்கீமில் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஏ ஸ்கீமில் 8% இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் கொடுக்குறாங்க, பி ஸ்கீமில் 9% இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் கொடுக்குறாங்க. அப்போ அமௌண்ட் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணால் அவர் பர் இயரில் 1860 வந்து இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்டாக கிடைக்குது. அதையே அவர் ஏ ஸ்கீமில் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ண பண்ணிய பிலையும் பி ஸ்கீமில் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ண பண்ணி ஏலையும் போட்டு ஒரு இயரில் என்ன கிடைக்கும்னா 20 rupees எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கிடைக்கும். அப்போ 1860 விட 20 எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கிடைக்குன்னா 1880 கிடைக்கும். அப்போ வாட் இஸ் த மணி இன்வெஸ்டட் இன் ஸ்கீம் ஏ அண்ட் வாட் இஸ் த மணி இன்வெஸ்டட் இன் ஸ்கீம் பி? Let the money, let amount invested in scheme A be rupees X. Let the amount invested in scheme B rupees Y. Now, what is the rate of interest? The rate of interest No, what is the interest? Interest I is equal to PNR by 100. Interest I is equal to PNR by 100. P is the principal, N is the number of years, R is equal to rate of interest by 100. So, interest received in scheme A. Interest received in scheme A. Scheme A interest of the 8%. PNR by 100. P is equal to X. N வந்து 1, R வந்து 8 by 100 is equal to 8 into 1, 8 into X, 8x by 100. Then interest received in scheme B. Scheme B la investment வந்து Y into 1 into rate of interest வந்து 9 by 100 is equal to 9y by 100. This is the amount, this is the interest amount received in scheme A. This is the interest amount received in scheme B. So, if you add panna is equal to 1860. Therefore, 8x by 100 total interest. Therefore, total interest is equal to 8x by 100 plus 9y by 100 equal to 1860. இப்போ the cross multiply பண்ணா 8x plus 9y equal to 1860 equation number 1. 8x plus 9y equal to இதோட 2 zeros இருக்குதா இது equation number 1. Then now Rajesh, what he is doing? Interchange the investment amount. First A scheme la X rupees, B scheme la Y rupees. இப்போ வந்து A scheme la Y rupees B scheme la X rupees போட போறாரு. By interchanging investment amount. Interchanging investment amount. Interest received in scheme A. Scheme A is scheme A la moda X rupees போட்டாரு இப்போ Y rupees போடுவாரு. Y into 1 into 8 by 100 is equal to 8y by 100. Then interest received in scheme B is X into 1 into 9 by 100 equal to 9y by 9x by 100. இப்போ total interest. Is equal to 8y by 100 plus 9x by 100 equal to 1860 plus 50 rupees more is equal to 1880. 1880. Now we cross multiply. The 100 and the multiply 8y plus 9x is equal to 188020. Equation number 2. 1880 இந்த ரெண்டு 100 multiply. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving first equation and the second equation. First equation is 8x plus 9y equal to 1860120 equation 1. 9x plus 8y equal to 188000 equation number 2. இப்போ we have to solve perfectly. இப்போ x ஓ y கேன்சல் பண்ணா equation 1 9 ஆலையும் equation 2 8 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். equation 1 into 9. 9 8s are 72x plus 9 8s are 81y equal to 0 0 0. 9 6 are 54y. 9 8s are 72 77. Remainder 7. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 7 16. 167400. Now equation 2 into 8 implies 8 9s are 72x plus 8 8s are 64y equal to 0 0 0. 8 8s are 64 6. 8 8s are 64 6 70 7. 8 1s are 8 50. Now coefficient of y is same, coefficient of x is same. You have to change the minus sign. Minus. Now 72x minus 72x cancel. 81y minus 64y. 64y is equal to 7 minus 17y equal to 0 0 0 4 0 7 1,70,000. 1,70,000. Therefore, y is equal to 1,70,000 divided by 17. So y is equal to 10,000. Then substitute y is equal to 10,000 in equation 1. In equation 1. 8x plus 90,000 equal to 186000. 186000. Therefore, 8x is equal to 18600 minus 900. 8x is equal to 006. $96,000. Therefore, x is equal to 96,000 divided by 8. Ones are, twos are. Therefore, x is equal to 12,000. Therefore, x is what? Money invested in scheme A. Y is money invested in scheme B. Now we have to write a conclusion. Amount invested in scheme A is rupees. A is here be x. Okay, x is rupees 12,000. Amount invested in scheme B is rupees 10,000. That is the answer. Number 19. On selling TV at 5% gain and a fridge at 10% gain, a shopkeeper gains rupees 2000. 5% TV 5% gain விற்கிறாரு, ஃப்ரிட்ஜையும் 10% gain விற்றா அவர் 2000 rupees gain டோட்டலாக gain கிடைக்குது. But if he sells the TV at 10% gain and the fridge at 10% loss, he again gained 1500. On this transaction, find the actual prices of TV and fridge. ஒரு டிவியை ஃப்ரிட்ஜை ஃபஸ்ட்டு கேஸு டிவியை 5% கெயினில் விற்கிறாரு, ஃப்ரிட்ஜை 10% கெயின் விற்றா அவருக்கு டோட்டலாக 2000 rupees கெயினாக கிடைக்குது. செகண்ட் கேஸில் டிவியை 10% கெயின்லையும் ஃப்ரிட்ஜை 10% லாஸ்லையும் விற்றா கூட again he is getting rupees 1500 as profit. What is the actual price of TV and what is the actual price of fridge? Let the actual price of TV be, yes, let the actual price of fridge be rupees y. இப்போ case 1. Gain on TV. Gain on TV is equal to 5%. எது கிடைக்குது டிவியில் 5% means 5 by 100. For every 100 rupees, 5 rupees gain. அப்போ for x rupees is equal to EPX is equal to 5x by 100. 5x by 100. Then gain on fridge. Fridge gain வந்து 10%. அப்போ for every 100 rupees 10 rupees gain-ஆ y rupees-க்கு எவ்வளோ gain-ஆ இது? That is 10y by 100. இப்போ total gain is equal to gain on TV plus gain on fridge is equal to 2000. First case 2000. இப்போ cross multiply பண்ணலாம். 5x plus 10x is equal to 2000. இப்போ dividing by 5. அப்போ x plus இங்கே y போட்டுக்கே இங்கே போடலாம் 10y x plus 2y is equal to 5 டேபிளில் கட் பண்ணால் இது 4 40,000. equation number 1. இப்போ case 2. Gain on TV. This is another transaction. Gain on TV is equal to 10% gain. 10x by 100. Then loss on fridge. Fridge loss. அப்போ 5 by 100 into y is equal to, இப்போ அது லாஸ்ட்னால minus 5y by 100. இப்போ net gain is equal to 10x by 100 minus 5y by 100. இந்த லாஸையும் இந்த கெயினையும் இந்த லாஸையும் ஆட் பண்ணால் கெயின் தான் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 1500. ஸோ கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் 10x minus 5y equal to 0. இப்போ டிவைடிங் பை 5 அப்போ என்ன வரும் 2x minus y equal to 3 5s are 15 plus 0. Equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. X plus 2y equal to 40,000. Equation number 1. So I want to cancel y cancel பண்ணா second equation 2 ஆல multiply பண்ணா போதும். Equation 2 is to 2. 4x minus 2y equal to 60,000. Equation 1 into 1. X plus 2y equal to 40,000. இப்போ coefficient of y சேமா இருக்கு, டிஃபரண்ட் சைடில் இருக்கு, அப்போ கேன்சல் பண்ணிடலாம். 5x is equal to இது ஆட் பண்ணால் 1 lakh. And therefore x is equal to 1 lakh divided by 5. 5 is equal to 2s are 20,000. X is equal to 20,000. Substitute x is equal to 20,000 in 1. 20,000 plus 2y equal to 40,000. Therefore 2y equal to 40,000 minus this 20,000 அகத்த போனா minus 20,000. Therefore 2y equal to 20,000. Y is equal to 20,000 divided by 2 is equal to 10,000. Is equal to 10,000. So y is equal to 10,000. X is equal to 20,000. Therefore actual price of TB. Actual price of TV rupees 20,000. Actual price of fridge rupees 10,000. Question number 20. The sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. If the numerator and the denominator increases by 3, they are in the ratio 2:3. Find the fraction. We don't know what is the numerator and the denominator. We have to keep the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Therefore the fraction is x by y. Case 1. Numerator and denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. Sum of numerator plus denominator. Sum of numerator plus denominator is 4 more than twice the numerator. X plus y equal to 2x plus 4. X minus 2x plus y equal to 4. X minus 2x minus x plus y equal to 4. Equation number 1. Now case 2. Numerator and denominator increases by 3. They are in the ratio 2:3. Increases means we have to add 3 to the numerator and 3 to the denominator. x plus 3 is the numerator, y plus 3 is the denominator. If we take the ratio, it becomes 2:3. That is the second condition. Therefore, x plus 3 divided by y plus 3, x plus 3 by y plus 3 equal to 2 by 3. Now cross multiplication. 3 into x plus 3 equal to 2 into y plus 3. Now remove the bracket. 3x plus 9, 2y plus 6. 3x minus 2y equal to 6 minus 9. 3x minus 2y equal to minus 3. Equation number 2. Now we have to solve both the equations. Solving 1 and 2. Minus x plus y equal to 4. 3x minus 2y equal to minus 3. This is equation number 1, equation number 2. Then what to cancel? X. To cancel x, equation 1 multiplied by 3, equation 2 multiplied by 1. Equation 1 into 3 minus 3x plus 3y equal to 12. Equation 2 into 1, 3x minus 2y equal to minus 3. Now positive of x is same with the opposite side. So minus 3x plus 3x cancel. 3y minus 2y y. 12 minus 3, 9. Substitute y is equal to 9 in 1. Minus x plus 9 equal to 4. Minus x is equal to 4 minus 9 equal to minus 5. Cancelling minus sign on both sides. X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 9. Therefore, the fraction is the required fraction is x by y. X is 5 by 9. The fraction is 5 by 9.